discuss few more changes. As we have discussed about slow change, fast change, desirable, undesirable, reversible, irreversible, periodic, non-periodic. Next change is physical change and chemical change. Okay. So simple here. Physical change is nothing but temporary change. Okay. Whereas chemical change means permanent. Use every whatever changes. Till now I give a number of examples. No. In that, which are temporary, which are permanent. Temporary means what? Which depend only for some time. Permanent means it will be fixed. It will not change again. Any examples you can say?
Water to ice.
Yes. Temporary. If we want to change water into ice, we have to keep in the fridge. That means if we keep in the fridge, what is happening there? Heat is releasing. Yes or not? Heat is given out. That means it is taking cool. So here it is forming into what?
Temporary.
Ice. That means water to ice. Okay. Now I want to change this again ice into water. What I have to do?
Keep it
I have changed water into ice, so I have kept it in the fridge. That means I have removed the heat. Now I want again water from ice. What I have to do?
You should keep it.
I have to heat it or you have to keep it in normal temperature. That means I have to heat it. I have to supply heat for it. So that it changes into water again. If I heat more, what's happened? What is happening? If I heat it more, water is formed. Till I am giving it water, it changes into water. It evaporates. Okay, that means this type of heat is called as physical changes, which remain only for some time. Okay. Now I have mixed salt and water. Physical change or chemical change? Physical change. Why? Because I can consider salt back again. Next, evaporation, condensation. What is this process called? They are physical or chemical? Physical change. Glowing of an electric bulb?
Physical change.
Physical change. Glowing of a fan?
Physical change.
Charging mobile?
Physical change.
Physical change. Still. Do you know candle?
Yes, ma'am.
Candle, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
We will be lighting it up. It gives light. That means down that it melts or not. That melting is physical change or chemical change? Physical change. Why? Because after putting out the light of the candle, what happens? It forms into solid again. That wax, when it is applied heat, changes into liquid. After cooling, what happens? It changes into solid. So now that means it is changing again. It is going back to its place. Temperature is released or heated up. Then it is called as physical change. Physical change takes place only temporarily by the nature. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Growing of a plant is a physical change?
No, ma'am.
It is not a physical change. What is change?
Chemical change.
Chemical change. For example, if you are keeping a seed in a soil, it grows into a plant.
Yes, ma'am.
After some time it grows into a plant. Now can you make the seed again?
No.
So which type of change it is?
Chemical change.
These chemical changes are permanent. They will not be changing. Clear? Physical change will be changing, but whereas chemical change will not be changing. Okay. Examples of chemical changes are
Ma'am, growth of human.
Cooking food. Cooking food is also best example of the chemical change. You have mixed curry. You have prepared a curry. Afterwards, can you get the vegetables whatever you have prepared? No. The such type of change is called as chemical change, as well as irreversible change also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not? Irreversible change, chemical change. Almost they are same.
But making tea.
Clear? Making tea is also irreversible change. You cannot get milk from the tea again. Yes? Now. Fade in the colors of the clothes. We see you have bought uniforms, new uniforms.
Yes, ma'am.
On starting day and after 2 or 3 months, will the color of the uniform will be same?
No, ma'am.
It changes. physical change. Can you get the color again? Can you get the color again?
No, ma'am.
That is
Chemical
chemical
change.
change. Lightning of a matchstick. Lightning of a matchstick. Physical or chemical?
Physical.
Chemical change. After lightning, it burns away.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
will be remaining there? Ash.
Ash.
From the ash, can we get matchstick again?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Falling off leaves of a tree.
Chemical change.
Chemical change. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, curdling of milk.
Ma'am?
Curdling of milk. Changing of milk to curd.
Chemical change.
Chemical change. Okay. Now we have finished changes. Any doubts in the changes?
No,
No, ma'am.
Slow change, fast change,
Desirable change.
undesirable, periodic, non-periodic, reversible, irreversible, physical, chemical. How many changes we have learned total? 10 changes we have learned. Okay. Now we will go for the one more thing, expansion. Do you know what is the expansion?
No, ma'am.
Expansion means what? Expand.
Means, ma'am, it
Spreading
is
away.
spreading.
Spreading. Expand means what?
Spreading.
Yes. So here, do all the substance spread?
No, ma'am.
Not all the substance spread.
No, ma'am.
Solids, liquids, and gases. Will they spread? Say me. Will solids, liquids, and gases spread?
No.
Spread means, for example, this is a chalk piece. Okay, this is solid. Will it spread, expand?
Yes, ma'am.
How it
No,
expands?
ma'am, it won't expand. It decreases.
Let us see how expansion takes place. All the substances will not be expanded. Okay, only few substances are expanded. Can the eraser expand?
Yes, ma'am.
Can the rubber band expand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But after regain its original place.
Yes.
Now let us see expansion of solids, liquids, and gases. Will the solids expand? No.
Some will expand.
Some will expand, some will not expand. So what is the experiment to show that solid expand? On heating, maximum all the solids will be expanded. Okay, more solids are expanded on heating. Best example is, do you know iron ring or something other than that? Iron ring. Do you know iron ring of a, what we call it? Wheels. What we call? Bullock cart. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Bullock cart will be having wheels.
Cart wheel.
Cart wheel will be having wheels. For the wheels, there will be iron ring around. If you observe, you will be finding it. How they fix it? If you remember, will it come?
No, ma'am.
Then how they fix it?
By heating water.
First thing, whatever the iron plate is their circle, they will heat it up. Okay, that iron is heated up. That means on heating it expands. Okay, then they put the wooden wheel. Afterwards, what happened? Due to coolness, the iron rod will be
Decrease.
decreased. That means compresses, so that it holds the wheel tightly. Best example. Do you know pipes in our houses will be fixed into the
Yes, ma'am.
taps? No.
Yes, ma'am.
If they won't fit or if they won't come, we will be heating it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why we will be heating it?
Because it will become that
Decrease. Yes, that means if we heat any solid, it will be expanding. It's extended its size. Okay. So if we heat the pipe, what happens? It expands and we can put one more thing easily into that. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Did you see any time vegetable which is cooked?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Vegetables, if it is cooked, it expands in size.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Rice also it expands. Why? Because it is absorbing heat, no? So due to that, solids are expanded. Now what about liquids and gases? Will they also expand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How?
Liquid expand.
Solid will about solids is, do you see any time rail tracks?
Yes, ma'am.
There will be some gaps into the track.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a continuous track. There will be some gap into the this two.
Yes, ma'am.
Why they leave the gap?
Because there was
They
another.
attacked them.
Why? Because solids expand on heating. In summer season, due to more heat, what happens? Iron is heated up very fast.
Yes,
If they
ma'am.
expand, it means it increases its size. If this increases its size, what happens? It moves this side or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If it also increases, they will be joined, attached. Clear? That means solids expand on heating. That is the reason they give gap between the railway rails or rails. Clear? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know one more thing how a jewelry or gold item or silver item is made?
Yes, ma'am. By
By
heating it.
Just by heating. Why? Why? Because on heating, the gold or silver will be melting. If they melt, we can turn them into different shapes and designs. Yes? Next. Expansion in liquids. Do liquids expand?
Yes.
How?
Ma'am, if
Why?
pour one drop of water, they will expand.
Experiments I said that if they will they increase in size if we heat it.
Amount of water.
Will they increase in size if we heat it? No? No?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, take a glass ball or anything. Take a ball. This is a ball. Keep fill it with water. Heat it for some time. Do you see any water coming out?
Yes, ma'am.
While cooking rice also, we will be observing the whatever the foam is formed above the bowl, it will be coming out. This is the anytime tea will be falling from the bowl or
Yes,
tea
ma'am.
or milk. Why they will fall down?
Because it is heating.
But as we are heating, it expands its size. It increases its size or not? If what your mother should be doing when the tea or milk will be expanding or it is about to fall,
They will.
what they will do? They will decrease the flame. Yes or not? They will decrease the flame. Why they will decrease the flame? That means they are reducing the heat. That means on heating, liquids expand. If you are heating water here, they will not fall down.
It will
It
fall.
will fall.
Why they are falling down?
Because they are expanding.
Because they are increasing its size. Yes or not? That is the reason they are moving from inside of the ball to outside. They are coming out. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have learned how solids expand and how liquids
Liquids
expand. Now what about gases? How do they expand? Do we see gases? Then how can we say that gases expand on heating?
On gas.
Ma'am,
Gas.
evaporation, it evaporates and water will.
Not gas.
I am asking how they expand. Will they change their size? Any example?
Gas.
Here, take a balloon and an empty bottle. Okay, blow the balloon. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. After blowing, you keep the balloon here. What happens?
The balloon air goes into the water.
Bottle is also having some air, no? It will not change into the same size. Now, bring this bottle and keep in a hot water.
It will blow.
What happens?
Blow.
It will. What happens?
Yeah.
If we keep in the hot water, what is happening? The glass is getting heated up. Whatever the bottle we have to get is getting heated up. That means what is there in the bottle also it gets heated up. Well, what is inside the bottle and the balloon? Air. If it gets heated up, it will be going big. That means the size of the balloon changes. After some time, the size of the balloon will change. Why it is changing? It blows bigger. It expands. Why? As there is air inside the balloon as well as bottle, due to heat, that water expands. That air will be expanding. Due to hot air, what happens?
The
Air will be
expand.
due to whatever water is there, hot water, due to that hot water, whatever air is there inside the bottle, that air gets heated up and it increases its size. That means we can say that solids, liquids and gaseous will expand on heating. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.